Imo people have raised an alarm on the shabby works by a construction company in Isu local government area of Imo State. The drainage construction on the road is very poor. Sands were not covered by the concrete, and the construction company used tiny rods on the drainage. They even joined them only double to minimize cost on the same poor jobs they were doing. The concrete they casted on the gutter, where in fact everything was sand. You can see they were removing sand on it. The thing did not even cover the sand. If rain falls here, it will wash everything away. And these people were drawing the attention of Hope Uzodimma to call the attention of Isu local government chairman to supervise the project so that the right thing will be done. Look at, you can see the gutter. Everything there was sand, no concrete. The concrete was poorly mixed to reduce the cost so that they will embezzle the money allocated for this project. Just watch the reactions of people as they were taking this video.
Le road ha jana gra le road no la le road no le ba wuri he le road no le ba wuri he le go di le ya wura wo le ya wura wa jan kete o bibe ajan kete ai ha re la ni sun ja ba bia go di bia le bia ye bia pa jenga hey Jesus le ai ha này le cây ha này ta sẽ sang à happy à ta đây xem mẹ đã hay rồi board phá ra cái ta cái ako cái ta cái ako bây giờ board phá ra board phá ra board nam phá ra apro nha rồi board phá ra nam phá ra sang ra road Yelile hanaga shitenga roni shi e wodi bere ma ibe nile ibo le traka ge tupta jan e shi fra board fa mfaga kana faga board adukwa ke yako afage aro ana aru feri sanaga road sanaga gota yo tine sanu gota le road le the main road le gota hanaga oh ye ni sunja ba kai no